We have Mr. Sougandh, who's a business development manager, South Asia at universalrobots.com. Happy to have you here for a small interaction, sir. Thank you for joining us. So, how do you find this event, and what are the takeaways?
So it's definitely a special event for us. It's the first time we're partnering with MotoTech. It's a special moment because we got to closely about 200 to 400 people in a room. It's not a joke. It's a special thing. We are able to bring so many more people who are interested in talking about collaborative robots, collaborative automation, and taking how they can take their manufacturing floors to a better place in the future. Yes.
So, you mentioned about the three products like 7E, 12E, and 15 that got introduced into the market. So, can you just walk us through more about these products and also the application area? I mean, application in the automotive industry.
I like the fact that you're picking up automotive as a segment because these three product lines that we've recently introduced is a ramp up from the older generation. So we have the 12E, the 7E, which has a capability of lifting higher payload applications, delivering to largely on machine loading, unloading, which is for the CNC part of things, or pick and place, inspection, palletizing, packaging kind of applications. And just think of those arms, and then at least four times its speed is what you get from a UR15. It's heavier payload, lifting close to 15 kilos in its payload, but it can now go four times faster than these robots. So I think these are critical, developments in the product side of things. Bringing into a country like India, which has such massive potential across verticals, is so important. We are able to find such good applications, which is a perfect product fit for universal robots.
That calls for, can you also let us know about the remote monitoring of these products?
Yeah, so this is probably one of those products which, and the question is excellent, because most of these companies today have high level of cyber security. They want monitoring of their robots, of their assets, of the applications which is done. We have remote monitoring softwares. You just have to connect it via an Ethernet. The complete data gets streamed onto your HMI or even a phone. You can get all the data captured over there, monitor the performance of these robots. It's compliant to all sort of safety and security norms. So we're quite confident that what you wish to deliver with these arms, what the kind of data that you want from these arms, are readily available at your end.